Hi everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate our assignment for the software security module. In our group, Janit Pasindu and I'm Chaturangika. We have taken an existing movie booking system from GitHub and performed a security audit, identified several critical vulnerabilities, and implemented industry standard security fixes and modern authentication feature. We are selected online booking system from the GitHub. It's developed using PHP and SQL database. Uh, then we clone that GitHub project to our local PC and connect with SQL database server. And after that, we identified some vulnerabilities manually and automated security scan using SAP tool. The tool flagged a high risk alert for SQL injection on the login and registration endpoints. Uh, then these are the manually identified vulnerabilities: SQL injection, broken authentication, cross-site scripting, sensitive data exposure, security misconfiguration, insecure direct object references, and then I hand over continuing explain for the Janit.
Thank you, Chaturangika. Now I'm going to show some technical implementations we done for manage that security risks. Firstly, we identify that SQL injection risk in that login page. So in here, existing one, it's as a SQL command. Uh, So we manage it, prepared statement in here. We manage that login method using a prepared statement. Now the database driver treat user input only as a data, not as a part of the SQL command. Previously it used as a SQL command. So this is the way we manage SQL injection risk. Next we move to a password hashing. In here, using normal without any hashing password using, so it's a major security risk, broken authentication risk. They use plain text in existing project. So we developed advanced method, bcrypt method for hash password. So in here I in code line I here commented like this: password hashing bcrypt hash. So previously they don't use any password hashing method. So I can explain it using our database. Give me a second. This is our database. I remove that data and wait, give me a second. I remove also this data. Second. I remove this data also. So I can explain that properly. In this is the login page. Wait, give me a second. This is a user registration page without vulnerabilities, and this is the user registration page with vulnerabilities. So I'm going to explain with vulnerabilities page first. I entered some user credentials. Password I entered 123456789. Again 123456789, and city and phone number. And I press that register button. Give me a second. Let's go to email. Then register. Registration successfully displayed. Here the database. In here no entries. Then I repress that enter data to get. Then it shows like this, without any hashing the password display. So now I'm going to explain when we add that fix, then how it work. So then we move to a fixed project. This is the fixed project. Then I enter that another login password. Same thing, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then I press that register button. It shows user registration successful. Then we move to that database again. Here, refresh it. Here, that passwords are all encrypted, so no one can see that password. That's the way we manage that broken authentication risk vulnerability in that project. Then we move to cross-site scripting. Let me explain the cross-site scripting. We can say XSS vulnerability found in the original code. XSS occurs when application include untrusted data in web page without proper validation or encoding. Uh, Here we can see like that script alert registration successful. Windows location login form.php. We identify it as a XSS risk. So we modify that code like this. Then we can mitigate that risk. Uh, yeah, output encoding using the PHP special chars method we use to that mitigate that risk. Here mention I mentioned that. We can see that how that XSS script running, and when we fix using special chars, HTML special chars, how it work. So let's move to the our project here. This is a without this is a with vulnerabilities, without any HTML special just using. So I entered that data and I entered that script to here. So once we register press, that script should run. There's a risk. Give me a second. Here, script running and XSS risk. Then display registration successful. Okay. Then we move to our fixing code in here. We add same thing, that is script, but we use HTML special chars for fix that error. So we press when we press the register button, it display like this: registration failed. Sorry, script alert. We could not process your request at this time. In here we identify fixing that mitigating that risk like this. As previously explained, we identify that huge issue in that login. They implemented without touching basic login in this project. Then we have identified that risk. So we used Google OAuth authentication for login. Currently the normal registration is also there. So I like to explain how we manage that Google authentication in here. First we move to that project here. We create Google Cloud using Google Cloud Auth project, secure more booking. Here the web application, and go to this is a authorized JavaScript origins localhost and authorized redirect to our release google.callback in this page, Google callback page. So I like to show it using our project as previously did. This is a login page. Then I press sign in button. In the here available sign in with Google function. Existing projects, there's a no function like that, only login button and register button here. So I like to show how it works. When we press the sign in with Google button, there's they ask for select which account you need to log. This is my email. Then I select it and I log into that using it. So in a database, previously loaded one without that Google authenticated login here. You can see here when I refresh it. Uh, Last I created login is here. In here we use password hashing, but previously. Before we start our final conclusion, I like to show how we manage that software engineering best practices during this project. So this is our first GitHub repository taken to develop here. Then we clone it to our new repository, and we manage all updaters using commitments. So here I create a assignment readme file firstly, then other previous project they taken everything show like a initial commit. Then once I modified something, it included like this Google callback implementation, Google config implementation is here, and login form changes in here. I commit everything, and this is the register updated commit. Like that, we manage software engineering best practices during this project implementations. So finally, in conclusion, we have successfully secured this application by mitigating critical OSAF vulnerabilities and adding a modern secure authentication layer using Google OAuth 2.0. This project has significantly improved our skills in secure coding, defensive programming, and professional version control. We are confident that these enhancements make the application much more robust against modern cyber threats. Thank you for watching our demonstration in this project.